else, the whole Jewish movement of Jewish believers in Yeshua kind of faded out. But there was a rebirth in 1967, a fulfillment of Bible prophecy. And those are the people you tapped for this project.
This is Israel's family diary. This is our family diary. This isn't just a book that you read on your shelf. And the history of the Jewish people and the order of the books really needed to be restored. And so what we did was, it's the same exact books you have in your Christian Bible, but this one in our Bible, you're going to see that it's literally the Torah, then the prophets, and then the writings. That's why it's called the Tanakh. By restoring it back to the Jewish book order, we actually end what Christians would call the Old Testament with the end of Chronicles instead of the end of Malachi. And I didn't realize what a big deal that was until I got together with those rabbis' wives. I had always read a Christian Bible. It never even occurred to me. Can we read that one little section? Because I think it would
and then I want you to talk about what else is different about this Bible, because it's really different than everything else that's out there.
So if you read it,